I get asked this question quite a bit. Hey, Austin, will Shiba Inu ultimately flip Dogecoin and become bigger than Dogecoin? And the answer is sure, it is absolutely a possibility. And we're going to explore that possibility and kind of look at a couple of key metrics in this video. As always, thank you for your support. And I truly appreciate you. Hit that like button below and please subscribe to the channel and tell me you want me to cover more Dogecoin and SHIB content because that's what it's really about. But here's what I want to say up front. I want to say this. This is not a situation where I don't like Dogecoin or I like Shiba Inu more. I love them both. I own both of them. My channel was built off of Dogecoin content and Shiba Inu content. So I have massive audiences on both sides of that aisle. So to me, this is not a which is better or which is going to win. What we're really talking about is will Shiba Inu ultimately flip Dogecoin in market capitalization? That's really, to me, the big factor because Dogecoin has been around for a long time. I think it has a massive head start as far as crypto market capitalization, millions and millions and millions more holders than Shiba Inu does. But Dogecoin has its attributes, right? It is the godfather of community tokens. But Shiba Inu is definitely the tough new kid on the proverbial block, right? SHIB's only been out since 2020. So will Shiba Inu flip Dogecoin for market capitalization ultimately at one point in time? And I think the possibility of that answer is yes. And again, this is not a bad thing or a diss, me dissing Dogecoin. I own both of them. I like both of them. Okay. And also, I think we also need to understand that communities, it's not tribalism here. There's not which is better, Shiba Inu is better than Doge or vice versa, is they both have their place, right? They're both fantastic in their own different regards. So will SHIB jump up at some point and overtake Dogecoin? The answer is yes, it could definitely happen. For it to happen, Shiba Inu would have to have a massive run bringing millions and millions and millions of more users into the, as holders into the ecosystem. And it would have to reduce its supply for that to happen. Now there's plans in place for SHIB with, with burning with Shibarium and all that, that's going to facilitate that. But that will ultimately, by reducing the supply of Shiba Inu over time, it makes what's there more valuable, thus obviously in raising the price, and associated raising the market cap along with it. Now that's a multi-year play, and I've talked about that in plenty of videos. But I also don't think that happens in a vacuum, because here's the thing. I think Dogecoin can continue to rise in market capitalization. When the overall crypto market was going to get bigger, when we go back from, because if you think of the overall crypto market capitalization right now is 1,280,000,000,000. That's the entire crypto market capitalization. By the way, 60% of that number is Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. Those two make up 60%. But as that number goes back up to 3 trillion, 4, 5, 6, 7 trillion, well, of course, Dogecoin's going to rise along with it, and so will SHIB. And so I think the only way that SHIB is going to, overtake Dogecoin in market capitalization is the reduction of the supply and adding millions and millions and millions of more holders. And that has yet to be seen whether that will play out, because it's a multi-year scenario. It is possible. It is possible for that to happen. I would love to see some type of active development around Dogecoin, some utility coming out. I think Dogecoin's main utility obviously is ultimately as a currency. And of course, with Elon and Twitter, it's the sky's the limit, right? In a positive way. And so I think that we'll see how it plays out. But sure, I think it's a possibility of SHIB overtaking Dogecoin from a market capitalization. But here's my final thought. To me, it doesn't matter. I own them both. I love them both for different reasons. And if Dogecoin continues to stay bigger than SHIB from market capitalization, we all win. Because if Dogecoin gets bigger, so does SHIB, so does crypto. Everybody wins. That's how I look at it. So with that, let me know your thoughts. Drop in the comments below. As always, I appreciate you. Have a good one. I'll see you. Go make some money. Take care.